Hello everybody, thank you for joining us. Today we're going to draw a person sitting down on a chair and in a very casual pose but seen from the back. So we'll put down a chair to start off. Let's say like that is our chair right there. So that is the perspective we are looking at it, that we are looking at in this particular quick exercise. Now we have, so this is the rest of the chair, the backrest, sorry. And of course, let's see if this was one of those chairs with the open space here. And the backrest was just like that. We would be able to see the cushioning or the seat right there. Now, the person needs to go on this, of course. And we have the option of putting down the lower part of the torso right there. Leg will probably go like that. Maybe around here. And this is an interesting exercise really. So foot, arched back, shoulder set right there, shoulder set, and as you can see the back is arcing that way. And we have the head right here. Now we're looking at it from the back, so there's the hint of the ear, just to show you how the placement might end up being. The leg is a little too small there, so we'll just extend that like that. Now let us play around with some options. So one is that everything is going that way, so we're looking at a perspective like that. So everything is going in that direction, but right here we have to flatten the toes. Let's say if you want to, this is a very common pose. I think we find ourselves often repeating those words, that this is a very often seen posture, and it is. So going into the upper body, let's say that if it was see-through, that would be the back going right there. And the hunch is well, it's like that, or it can be like that too. So either way, the body's position, unless seen from the front, would be appearing like that. So if we have to hunch this back, the purpose should be that the head should be more erect and station a little taller right around there. Let's say we have a hand going like that. There's the elbow, there's the hand hanging behind the chair like so. So there's some foreshortening there. You have to show the edge of the chair on the side here to make this work. That hand will just sit down, relax here on the side. The other foot, hint of it can be shown here if we want, but going like that. So we have to station it fairly parallel to this guy here, or if you want to give it more character, we can turn it inward, show it relaxed. Different options. Or it could be right in the front there. We could show a hint of it right there in the front. And that's without moving this. I think that we like where this is right here. And then if we have to go with that kind of posture, we could throw the head right back and have the person's head hanging backward. Like that. You're in this lazy, relaxed pose. and looking like upward. Now it could be a, no, it cannot be a dead person's pose, because if he's like seated there, most likely it's just a person like who's trying to, like, lazy it up a little bit. So now let us put some get some like fatigues going here, because, and of course we have all the different options. We can place, sorry, I didn't mention that, we could place the hand right here, show a part of it like that, fingers like that, not all of them, just like that, 3 fingers showing will also like make it work. There's the elbow, the triceps are here, and that goes into the shoulders. We do that too, but I think this is like very, very natural, because there is some lazy in all of us, and I think once in a while we end up in a posture like this. So there's the eyes, nose, ear, t-shirt, hem of the pants, and heel of the foot, other foot here. See if we can do this. Lazily going in that direction. Completely common to see this. And hint of the other arm right there, if we want to, like, delve into that. So there we have it. Quick instruction set on casual posture while sitting down in a chair. Let's just like put some color here to separate the person from our chair. There we have it. So please try it out. We have other videos that also feature a person in like different sitting postures, and we generally put out content pretty much every day. So please subscribe, keep in touch. Thank you for watching, and have yourself a wonderful day.